What's up, you guys? It's Randy and I'm back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another protective style. I've actually done this style before. I have a video that's maybe about a year or two old on my channel, but I'm just revisiting it to see if I actually still like this style. This is just protective style season for me. So this is hot right into the video. Right now I have in my hair the Mayo Organics Avocado Moisturizing Hair Milk for a leave-in conditioner. My hair has already been washed and deconditioned, and because we are doing a protective style, I want to go ahead and take care of my scalp so it's not dry and itchy. And I'm just using my DIY oil blend. Has a bunch of different oils: jojoba oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, Jamaican black castor oil. It's just a lot of good things in this blend that I have, you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give myself a scalp massage just to make sure I'm taking care of my scalp and preparing it for this protective style. So now I'm just gonna give myself kind of like a zigzag middle part. I didn't want to do just a straight down the middle straight part. I wanted to give it a little bit of zest. So I just did, a little bit of zigzag and then just straight down the middle in the back, just to go ahead and prepare for the style. And then I also always like to go ahead and moisturize and oil any parts that I put in my hair when I'm doing protective styles, because we don't like no crusty, dusty scalp, y'all. So I always make sure if I'm parting my hair or anything like that, I put a little bit of extra oil down the center of those parts. So now I'm just parting my hair down to start this section. I don't make my parts like super straight. Y'all know I don't really care about straight parts. I just get it as straight as it could possibly get without me needing to do way too much. So I'm just taking a small section on the side, clipping the rest of my hair out of the way. And then I'm gonna go in with this TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food. This is actually my first time ever trying anything from TGIN. Thank God it's natural, and you guys, this stuff smells amazing. Like it said, it's supposed to be super nourishing daily moisturizer for dry, damaged, and brittle hair. And I can say as soon as I put this stuff on my hair, I felt the moisture. I love this stuff, you guys. I could definitely see myself using this again and again, and it made my hair so easy to detangle. My hair was already detangled, but you can see how my brush is just gliding through. So I'm just making sure that it's all worked in, and then I'm gonna go in with the Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Don't Shrink gel. You guys have seen this multiple times on my channel. I like to use this gel when I'm doing a protective style because it's moisturizing and it's not too drying on my scalp and my hair. So I'm just putting that along the parts and slicking my hair down. I really wish I would have used another, like an edge control or something else. I'll tell you guys later exactly why, to slick my hair down. I really wished I would have used something stronger but still moisturizing. Now I'm just going to go ahead and twist my hair. I'm not flat twisting. I'm twisting my hair in a rolling motion, and at the same time, I'm making sure that I detangle along the way. You want to make sure that your hair is detangled. I'm not pulling my hair super tight. It may look like I'm pulling it tight, but it's really not. I'm pulling it to my comfort to make sure it's nice and taut, but not too tight, you guys, if that makes any sense. And I'm just doing that straight all the way down until I get to the end. Then I'm going to go ahead and secure it with a bobby pin and then 2-strand twist the way, but still making sure I am detangling my hair as I am twisting. And this is just an easier option if you don't know how to French braid, or if you don't know how to 2-strand twist. You can do this. It's just simply just rolling your hair up, kind of almost like you're doing, you're rolling your hair, getting it ready for a bantu knot, but it's really, really, really simple, you guys. and you guys can see how nice and moisturized my hair is. That TGIN Miracle Repair Curl Food is the truth, y'all. But I'm just gonna do this exact same thing to the rest of my hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through for you guys. And I ended up with about 6 of these twists straight to the back. And this is what my hair looks like when I'm done with the twist. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put a little bit of mousse on my hands. Right now I am using the, what am I using? The Texture ID mousse is because that's what I had on hand, but I'm using that, you know, for some extra hold to take care of any flyaways or anything like that. So I put the mousse on and I tie my hair down. And then I'm gonna go ahead and sit under my hooded dryer for about 10 minutes. You guys can see Mila, she's everywhere I am. But this is what my hair looks like after I came from sitting up under the dryer. And the reason why I said I wish I would have used an edge control or something for a sleeker look is because along my parts, those products, the 2 products I use has my hair so moisturized that my curls are popping. So I wished I would have used an edge control for a sleeker look along the parts. But other than that, this hairstyle is pretty much, it's so simple. I'm gonna wear this, it will last me for at least a week. I've worn this style before. I love it. It's simple, it's sleek, it's just easy, it's fast, like everything that you need for your hair to stay moisturized and, you know, protected. But that's gonna be pretty much it for this video, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Follow me over on my Instagram page at naturally_fearless, and I'll see you guys in my next one.